Need to update your Clubcard in the Tesco app? No problem. As of October 2025, Tesco has made it super easy to link a new card or change your existing number. This is crucial for making sure you're earning all those valuable points and getting personalized offers. Whether you've lost your card, got a new one, or just want to use a digital version, here's how to do it directly within the Tesco app. Make sure that you have a Tesco account already created and a valid club card ready to go. First, download or update the Tesco app from the App Store or Google Play. Log in to your Tesco account using your email and password. Next, find the Club Card tab or go to My Account and then Club Card Details. Select either Link New Card or Change Card Number. You'll be prompted to either scan the barcode of your physical card or manually enter the 18-digit number. For security, Tesco will send a one-time password, OTP, to your registered phone number or email. Enter this to confirm the change. The update is immediate, and any points should transfer within 24 hours. By following these steps, you can ensure that your club card details are up to date so you never miss out on earning points.